Hey bakers, today I'm showing you how to make the most adorable heart-shaped cake that's soft, moist, and topped with delicious strawberry candy twist. Perfect for Valentine's Day anniversaries, or just because you deserve a sweet treat. Let's bake. First, we will break 3 eggs. Then we will add 1½ cups of granulated sugar to it. Now it's time to whisk them together. And we are adding ½ cup of olive oil. And we will mix them together. Adding 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Add 2 cups of milk. And mix together as usual. Add 2 teaspoons of baking soda, which is 10 milliliters, and 1 tablespoon of baking powder, which is 15 milliliters. Add ½ teaspoon of salt, which is 2.5 milliliters. And mix. Adding 1 cup of vanilla custard powder and mix. We will add 2 cups of all-purpose flour and mix together. use some vegetable oil and sprinkle some flour to the cast iron so it could easily be removed after baking. Pour into this greased heart-shaped cast iron and bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 Celsius for 30 to 35 minutes. Now sprinkle our diced strawberry candy twist on it for a gorgeous, worthy finish. And here you have it. The perfect, gorgeous-looking heart-shaped cake. Isn't this gorgeous? What do you think? If you loved this recipe, smash that like button, subscribe for more easy and delicious recipes. And please tell me in the comments section, what's your favorite cake flavor? Thanks for watching and see you in my next video. Happy baking!